Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make acorn squash. First, choose a firm squash with a dull skin and no soft spots. Wash it thoroughly, then carefully cut it in half lengthwise. Use a spoon to scoop out the seeds and stringy bits from the center. This quick preparation sets the stage for a fantastic meal. You're now ready for the next steps in cooking this versatile vegetable. Now let's talk about roasting. You can roast acorn squash cut side down with a little water in the pan for steaming, or cut side up. For the cut side up method, brush the flesh with olive oil or melted butter. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a touch of brown sugar or maple syrup. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes until tender. This brings out its natural sweetness beautifully. Acorn squash is fantastic on its own, but it also makes a wonderful vessel for fillings. Consider stuffing it with a mixture of rice, sausage, apples, and herbs for a savory option. For a sweeter twist, try a blend of cranberries, pecans, and cinnamon. Serve the halves as individual portions, or slice them for a beautiful presentation. It's a versatile dish perfect for any occasion. Once cooked, store any leftover acorn squash in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. To reheat, you can warm it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until heated through, or gently microwave it. This ensures your delicious leftovers are just as enjoyable. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.